It's been 21 years, 1 month, 2 days, 5 hours, 22 minutes and 12 seconds, and you've finally run the world. If you're still in the mood for celebrating, whatever you do, don't pour petrol onto your trophy and place it into a microwave cavity. Because you'll find almost immediately the metallic gold paint will fizzle off and that cheap plastic base will start to melt. Until, inevitably, your cup runneth over as it catches the reservoir of petrol and the Olympian spirit burns brightly. Please try to remember, we do these celebrations so you don't have to. Do not try this at home.